Morning, everybody. Today, what we're going to do on today's episode, what we're going to do is we're going to work on the fairlane a little bit. Kind of running out of stuff to do. There's not really a whole lot to do on it. I got to, put carpet in it and stuff, but I'm going to probably hold off on that for a while. What I want to do today is I'm going to repaint the bumper. What I did, this bumper, when I got this bumper for it, the chrome wasn't in the best of shape, and it was kind of rusty and everything. I cleaned it up as best I could, and I was going to take it in to the powder coating shop and have them powder coat it with the chrome, powder coat. I thought that would be all right. I'm certainly not going to have it re-chromed. I don't even have any idea what that would cost anymore, but we're probably talking $1,000 anyway. You'd have to ship it to California, someplace, I don't know, but that ain't gonna happen. So I thought I would paint it, and I painted it with some chrome paint before. What happened is, when I talked to the guy at the powder coating shop if he would do it with the chrome, he said absolutely not. He said what's going on with chrome stuff, the paint, powder coating, is they've changed something in the formula on it. And what happens, he said he's used to do chrome, and then he did some stuff, and what happened was, within about a month, the people came back and said, all the chrome, it's no good, or the powder coat, it's no good. It looks like crap. So he won't do it anymore. He just said, no, I don't do anything that looks like chrome. There's something wrong with it. So I thought, well, I'll just get some of that chrome paint and I'll just paint it. And when I did, and it looked really good for about a week, and then it went to crap. So he was right. So it looks gray. There's no silver, there's no chrome on it. So I thought that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint it black and see if I like it black. I've seen some cars that guys have done blacked out the bumpers, and it looks pretty good on them. I liked it, so I'm going to try it on this rear bumper and see if I like it. And if I don't like it, well, then I'll just paint it back to chrome again and go with that. So it's not going to be, it's not a big deal. It's already painted. So I'm just going to sand it down here this morning, clean it up, shoot it with some satin black paint I got, and I'll just see what it looks like. So I'm going to switch the camera around a little bit so you can get a better view of the bumper while I'm working on it, and then we're just going to go, with that. Well, first thing we'll do is we'll just go ahead and start sanding on it and get it smoothed out a little bit anyway. It's got a whole bunch of little cracks in it. I think that's from the paint probably shrinking from the sun. But I don't know, hopefully the black will cover that up. I'm not gonna worry about doing a really super duper job here this morning. If it looks good and I like it, then maybe I'll work on it a little more and make it look, really nice. Okay, well, I think that probably okay with the sanding. I'm going to get the license plate off. I'll get some paper around everything so I don't spray everything else, and wipe it down, sand a little bit more around where the plate is, and then we'll get to painting. Okay, so let's go ahead and shoot some paint on this thing and see what it turns out like. This would be a good time for all you guys that haven't subscribed to the channel to go ahead and hit that button, that subscribe button, you know, thumbs up, all that kind of cool stuff. I've been picking up a lot of subscribers lately. That's a pretty good deal. I'm pretty happy about that. So, but we got to keep going. So, if you're a non-subscriber, go ahead and hit the button for me, please. Okay, guys, there we go. Couple coats of, you know, with the powder coating in the can. This is a satin finish, so it won't dry real flat. I didn't want it glossy. I don't know. We'll see when it dries here what it looks like. it did kind of look good going on wet, but I don't know if I want it glossy. Around here, it's really bad. It's so much dirt and dust and everything that, I don't know. We'll just see what it looks like. And if this dries here, I'm going to leave it sit for a half hour or so. The sun's shining right on it, so it should dry pretty quick. And then I'll come out and probably shoot it one more coat. And then I just go from there and let it sit and dry. And if I like it, the front bumper... oh, okay, the front bumper I got is off of fairlane number 2, sitting over there. So if I do the front, I'll have to go ahead and tape it off like this. I was thinking I could just do it on the sawhorses over there and paint it. It'd be a lot easier, but that's for that car. So I don't know for sure what I'm going to do on that car. I'll hold off and wait and see. But anyways, let's let her dry, and we'll be back here pretty soon. Okay, let's go ahead and give it one more coat of paint, and then we'll see what we think from there. Okay guys, I think I'm going to leave it like this. This is 3 coats of paint on it, so I don't know how good you're going to be able to see this. The sun's just beating down here, so I can't hardly see it in the camera either, so, but it is what it is, I guess. But now here's my dilemma. Let's go up here to the front. Now, do I do the front? I don't know. I guess you guys tell me what you think. I'm not going to do it today because the wind's already picking up, so I won't be able to paint it anyway. I might be able to scuff it up with a Scotch-Brite today and maybe get the paper on, but I probably won't even do that because it'll get all wet, in the morning with the frost, and I'll have to redo it anyway. So, I don't know. You guys just leave in the comments below here. Do you think I should do the front, leave it chrome? What? Okay, I guess that's about all I could do for today. So I'm just going to go ahead and end this video here. And like I was saying, if you think I should go ahead and do the front in the black, leave it chrome, quit painting them altogether. You know, give me some suggestions. Let me hear your ideas on it. And and also go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You know, I need to get those subscribers. I got to get up there. I'm getting close to that 1,000, but I still got a ways to go. So please hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave all the comments you can, and I will see you on the next video. And thanks for watching.